Ever wondered what Power BI is and when you should use it? Today, we unravel this mystery. So elevate your data game. Subscribe now and become a data wizard apprentice. Power BI, in essence, is a powerful business analytics tool developed by Microsoft. It provides interactive visualizations and business intelligence capabilities with an interface that's user-friendly, even for those without a background in data analytics. Imagine having the ability to convert raw data into meaningful insights, all at your fingertips. With Power BI, you can do just that. It allows you to create visually appealing reports and dashboards with ease, making data interpretation a breeze. The beauty of Power BI lies in its simplicity and intuitiveness, enabling users to make data-driven decisions without getting lost in complex data sets. But that's not all. Power BI also offers a variety of platforms to cater to your needs, whether you're at your desk or on the move. Now that you have a basic understanding of Power BI, let's delve deeper into its platforms: desktop, service, and mobile. First in line is Power BI Desktop, but when is it most applicable? Let's dive right in. Power BI Desktop is a Windows application specifically designed for PCs and desktops. It's the powerhouse of the Power BI system, where the meaty part of the work happens. What kind of work, you ask? Well, Power BI Desktop is your backstage pass to data modeling, report creation, and even publishing those reports to Power BI service. It's the ideal tool for those tasks that require a little more elbow grease, such as creating intricate reports and carving out complex data models. Think of Power BI Desktop as your command center, where you can pull all the strings and control how your data is modeled and how your reports are created. It's the foundation upon which your data analysis is built, giving you the tools to create, mold, and shape your data into meaningful insights. In essence, Power BI Desktop is your go-to for intricate report creation and data modeling. Moving on, we have Power BI Service. When should you opt for this platform? Power BI Service is an online platform, a prime example of software as a service, or SaaS. It's a cloud-based portal, accessible from anywhere, where you can view and share your Power BI reports and dashboards. One of the key strengths of Power BI Service is in its collaborative features. It allows you to share your reports with others, both within and outside your organization. You can work together on data sets, collaborate on reports, and even co-author them in real time. This makes it an excellent tool for teams working remotely or across multiple locations. Moreover, Power BI Service is the place where you can set up data refresh schedules and create and manage content packs and app workspaces. It's a powerful platform that brings data to life for all types of users, from business analysts to team members and decision makers. Use Power BI Service when you want to share your insights and collaborate on reports. Lastly, we have Power BI Mobile. When is this platform most useful, you may ask? Well, imagine the power of data analysis right in the palm of your hands. Power BI Mobile is a cross-platform mobile application available for both Android and iOS devices. This tool allows you to view reports and dashboards while you're on the move. Whether you're commuting, at a coffee shop, or in an important business meeting, you can quickly and conveniently access your data. It's like having a compact data analyst that fits right in your pocket. With Power BI Mobile, you're not just limited to viewing data. You can interact with your reports, share them, and even annotate them for better understanding. It's perfect for those who need to stay connected with their business metrics and KPIs at all times. In short, Power BI Mobile ensures you're always connected to your data, no matter where you are. Now that we've explored the different Power BI platforms, hit subscribe to keep the data magic alive. Remember that Power BI Desktop is designed for creating complex reports and data modeling. It's a robust tool that lets you dive deep into your data, making it ideal for in-depth analysis. Then we have the Power BI Service, which is an online platform. This is where you can share your insights and collaborate with others. It's perfect for teams that need to work together on data projects, or for when you want to distribute your findings to a wider audience. Lastly, we have Power BI Mobile. This is a cross-platform mobile app that allows you to access your data and reports on the go. It's great for those quick checks or when you need to make data-driven decisions while away from your desk. Choosing the right Power BI platform depends on your needs, so choose wisely and make the most of your data.